Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas, 2025 Cybertruck full wrap with a blue UPPF film. This is a self-healing, no waxing film. It defends against rock impacts, just like normal paint protection film. This is a paint protection film, but the company that manufactured it's called UPPF. And I'll show you what we do on all these. Some companies don't wrap the edges, but we wrap every edge. All our edges get wrapped in. All this stuff here, we don't shave them. Some people shave them where you'll see a metal edge. All these plastic pieces come back, so everything's seamless. All our edges get wrapped around, so you don't see any of the silver from the stainless. Just like that. So the installation's pretty easy for us, and everything is perfect. There is no silver edges, everything's smooth, no debris. The decon on this, we decontaminated the stainless steel like nobody's business. It's very, very nice to install. No stretch marks, no problems at all. So make sure when you're getting these, all your edges are getting wrapped just like this. So it looks like the car was painted this color, and that's all that's about. So ClearboroughNorthDallas.com 2025 Cybertruck in a blue PPF paint protection film. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.